In this video, I'll show you how you can make a welcome message on your Discord server. So many people complicate this, but in this video, I want to show you the easiest way to do this, and I'll just show you this right away. I'm not going to drag this out any longer. So you want to go to me6.xyz. So that's mee6.xyz. So go to that website and you will end up right here. All you need to do next is click on add to Discord. And then you can sign in on Discord. Now, because I'm already signed in this tab over here, it automatically does that. So I recommend you sign in as well. Next up, click right there on authorize, and then it will send you over here. Okay, so you can then click on that server and then click on setup mee6. Click on continue right there. You then find all of this, and then once again click right there. After doing the CAPTCHA, you'll end up on this page. Okay, so this is the dashboard on Me6. Now you want to click on welcome right here. Give new users a warm welcome. Click on that, and then right there, send a message when a user joins the server. You can also send a private message to new users. So select the one that you want to use basically. So right there, you can then select your server. So select the channel, and then right there, you can type in a custom message to any new member. So you can use this hey username. So right there, their username will then show up, welcome to, and then your server. And right here, you can then basically write them a custom message. Now you can also do that in private right here. But that's pretty much how you can do this. So right there is the private message. You want to customize this, but that's how you can send them a welcome message. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.